Welcome again. Today I will discuss one memory based problem in TIFR 2022. This problem is a bicycle is pumped with air when its internal pressure is 6 atmosphere and temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. At this time, the bicycle is brushed. Assume that the pressure of air is 1 atmosphere. The process is adiabatic. What is the temperature when it brushed? So we know that the any suddenly process or the fast process is the adiabatic process, but here the process is mentioned, that is the adiabatic process. And also remember, the slow process, any slow process is the isothermal process. For adiabatic process, we know that the relation between, for adiabatic process, we know that the relation between temperature and pressure is T to the power gamma, P to the power gamma 1 minus gamma equal to constant. Here the given data is T1 equal to 20 degrees centigrade, that is 293 Kelvin, and pressure, initial pressure is P1 is the 6th atmosphere, and the final pressure is 1 atmosphere. Required value is T2. So we can written as T1 gamma P1 to the power 1 minus gamma equal to T2 to the power gamma P2 to the power 1 minus gamma. So then we get T2 equal to T1 P1 by P2 whole to the power 1 minus gamma. Here T1 equal to 9293 Kelvin and P1 by P2 equal to 6. So 6 to the power 1 minus gamma. But here gamma is not given. But we consider for the air is the construct of oxygen, nitrogen, helium majority. So that means the air means diatomic molecule gas. So where the gamma equal to 1.4. So we consider the air is the diatomic molecules or the diatomic gas molecules collection. So put the value of gamma, so we get the final temperature. So 6 to the power 1 minus 1.4, so that is equal to approximately 140 Kelvin. Okay, so the final temperature is 140 Kelvin.